so concept number 1 is all about integer exponents. Our objective for this lesson is I can evaluate and simplify expressions containing 0 and integer exponents. I know there's not a lot of room here, so. Okay, so that's our objective. I can evaluate and simplify expressions containing 0 and integer exponents. So let's zoom in a little bit. Okay. All right. So, key questions: what are the laws of exponents and how do I use them to simplify expressions? So really this whole concept is going to be learning about the laws of exponents and how we can use them. Okay, so we're going to kind of explore this in the video, so it might be a little bit longer just because we're exploring it. Okay, so complete the table below for the product rule. This is with a partner, you're just going to do it with me. Then answer the questions that follow. So here's the expression: 3 squared times 3 to the 5th. Well, this really means 3 times 3 times 3 times itself 5 times. So 1, 2 for the first one, 5 for the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So really what I have here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 times itself 7 times, or 3 to the 7th power. So let's try that with the second one. 2, so 1, 2, times 6 more 2's. 2 times 2 times 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, so let's see, what does that look like? Well, now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 2's. 2 to the 7th power, much like the one above. Hopefully you're starting to see a pattern. Let's do one more. So I'm going to have 5 B's. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 8 more B's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now let's count. How many total B's do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So B to the 13th power. So what does this look like? What kind of patterns do we see? 2 plus 5 is 7. 1, this is 2 to the 1, right? Because it's just 1, 2. 1 plus 6 is 7. 5 plus 8 is 13. So compare the first and third column. Describe using words the relationship that you see between them. So here we go. We're going to say to multiply powers with the same base, add the exponents. Hopefully you saw that. Okay, so we just added the exponents together. Use your observations from the previous question to fill in the box and complete the math sentence below. If I have a to the m power times a to the n power, I'm going to add these two powers together is my result, is my solution. A to the m plus n. Okay? So let's do some of these together and see if we can't figure it out without using a long table like this. So the rule you discovered in the question above is called the product rule. Use it to simplify the expressions below. So 2 to the 6th times 2 to the 8th. I'm going to have the same base. The base does not change. It does not change into 4. It still is 2 to the 6 plus 8 power, which is 2. Well, 6 plus 8 is 14, so 2 to the 14th power. And that's my solution for that one. Okay? So let's do this one. Negative 7 to the 3rd power. When there is no exponent, put a little 1 there. Okay? So 3, 1, and 5. So we have negative 7 to the 3 plus 1 plus 5 power. I put it in parentheses because it's negative 7. So 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9. So there's our answer there. Okay. And then this one, again, there's no exponent, so we put a little 1. We have m to the 1 plus 5 plus 6 equals m to the 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. Okay, and that's the product rule. And I'm going to end the video here, and I'm going to do each little video for each rule so you can go back and easily find each rule. Okay, so that's the product rule.